Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be looking at another opposite words. So we're going to be doing antonyms part 2. So you can go to my previous videos and watch part 1 of antonyms. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first set of words we have cheap and expensive. So cheap means cheaper. Cheap means cheaper. Expensive means dura. Expensive means dura. Cheap, cheaper. Expensive, dura. The next one we have clean and dirty. Clean means hlwekile. Clean means hlwekile. Dirty means ditshila. Dirty means ditshila. The next one we have clever and stupid. Clever means bohlale. Clever means bohlale. Stupid means setlaela. Stupid means setlaela. Clever means bohlale. Stupid means setlaela. The next one we have come and go. Come means etla. Come means etla. Go means tsamaya. Go means tsamaya. Come, etla. Go, tsamaya. Next set of words we have connect and separate. Connect means kopanya. Connect means kopanya. Separate means aroganya. Separate means aroganya. The next one we have correct and wrong. Correct means kgonne. Correct means kgonne. Wrong means palelwa. Connect, kgonne. Wrong, palelwa. The next one we have danger and security. Danger means kotsi. Danger means kotsi. Secure means bolokega. Secure means bolokega. The next one we have daughter and son. Daughter is called moredi. Daughter is called moredi. Son is called morwa. Son is called morwa. Daughter, moredi. Son. We have death and life. Death means lihu. Death means lihu. Life means bophelo. Life means bophelo. Death, lihu. Life, bophelo. Next one we have divorce and marry. Divorce means hlala. Divorce means hlala. Marry means nyala. Marry means nyala. Divorce, hlala. Marry, nyala. The next one we have enemy and friend. Enemy means lenaba. Enemy means lenaba. Friend means mokgotsi. Friend means mokgotsi. Enemy, lenaba. Friend, mokgotsi. So that's it for our today's video. So that's it for our antonym video part 2. So if you have any words that you would like to know their antonyms, please kindly drop them on the comment section and stay tuned for more Sepedi lessons. For now, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.